eggs. Okay. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. 4 eggs. 5 eggs. 6 eggs. 7 eggs. 8 eggs. 9 eggs. And 10 eggs. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Let's see. Nicole, chocolate? Yes? Okay, let's take chocolate. Bara, more chocolate? Oh, that's enough. More chocolate. Okay. Bruno, more chocolate? Oh, that's enough. That's enough? That's enough. That's enough. Let's see. What else? Sugar. Okay. Mariona, how many spoons of sugar? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 10 again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's see. Now we already put chocolate. What about yogurt? Yes? Jan, how many yogurts? 1, 2, 3. 3? Okay, 3 yogurts. 1 yogurt. 2 yogurts. 3 yogurts. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's see. The mixer. Okay, let's take the mixer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try. Neil, more mixing? Oh, that's enough. More mixing. 1, 2, 3. Wow. More mixing? Oh, that's enough. More mixing. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's try. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's see. The very good. Let's put the cake in the oven. Crick, 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 crick. Okay, thank you, Ike. Now we can take the cake, yes? Ah, okay. Cake is ready. And he says, Mommy, Mommy, I want a cake. I want cake. I want cake. But Mommy says, no, not later. And me. I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Don't eat the cake. Don't eat the cake. Don't eat the cake. Bye bye, Amy. Bye bye. Bye bye, Amy. Bye bye, Amy. Bye bye, Amy. and he says, I want cake. Let's take the cake. Cake. Munch, 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 munch. Mmm, delicious. Yaita, more cake? Yes? Okay, yes, yes. Cake. Munch, 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 munch. Mmm, delicious. Mommy's coming? Let's look if mommy's coming. Is mommy coming? Yes or no? Or no? No. Is mommy coming? No. Okay. Let's eat cake. Yes. Cake. Munch, 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 munch. Mmm, delicious. Is mommy coming? Okay, let's watch again if mommy's coming or no. Is she coming? Yes, yes. Oh, finish the cake. Finish the cake. Let's see. Bilal, did you eat the cake? No, open your mouth. No cake. I kiss for you. Let's see. Noah, did you eat the cake? No, open your mouth. Okay, no cake. Very good. Okay. Nicole, did you eat the cake? No, open your mouth. Okay, no cake. A kiss for you.